Hi there, this is John Drew at onehourweek.co.uk. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to get directs, leads and referrals to your business using free methods. And in particular, how to get directs, leads and referrals into your Padlock Income. Free methods to drive traffic to your personal Padlock Income lead capture page. You'll be able to use these two methods to drive targeted traffic every day to your business. These two methods are suitable for driving traffic to any online business you may be building. Method 1. Method 1 is a unique business building community. This platform is suitable for all skill levels. No costs, no memberships, no levels, 100% free to use. Fantastic targeted advertising, business blogger, lead generation, traffic system, Google ranker, proven SEO and business network. This is an all-in-one business building platform and it's free. Method 2. This method is a fantastic traffic exchange. This is an easy and free method to drive traffic to your Padlock Income capture page. For every site that you visit, you get one visitor to your Padlock Income capture page. When you recruit your directs, leads and referrals into Padlock Income, just introduce them to this exchange and you'll receive 10% of the hits that they earn. This is so simple. You get all the statistics that you need. A site rotator if you need it. You can even geo-target your ads. Get directs, leads and referrals. Join for free now. Go to onehourweek.co.uk/leads. 2 stupid simple free methods to get more directs, leads and referrals. Go to onehourweek.co.uk/leads right now.